Do you know how are shelves on refrigerator made? Please watch this video. High-speed straightening machine for thin wire. Wire to de-bending machine. Gantry type automatic welding machine for mesh. Mesh trimming machine. Mesh bending machine. Spot welding machine for mesh small parts. High-speed straightening machine for thick wire. Frame forming machine. Frame butt welding machine. Frame T-butt welding machine. Spot welding it again mesh small parts. Row welding machine of mesh sides. Then use mesh trimming machine. Refrigerator shelves is made complete.